Socrates का कॉल है, the more I learn, the less I know. Once you believe in this, humbleness आ जाएगी आपके अंदर automatically.
For us as well, when we look at a market share, it's less than half when you look at the digital retail penetration. And you mentioned the Reckitt is performing. I think despite being a discretionary brand, despite being a slightly premium priced brand, you guys are performing. We're seeing it at Bazaar and we're seeing it beyond Bazaar in a much bigger way. How? What are the strategy? How you're navigating it? What's your message to your team?
It's about mindset. You know, जो लोग मार्शल आर्ट्स करते हैं, एक ज़माने में I used to do it. So martial art में when they're telling you to punch, the instructor is going to tell you उसके सीने में नहीं आपने पंच मारना है. You're punching the wall behind him. It's all about mindset, and mindset is all about simplicity. Simplicity, simplicity. आप अपने 3, 4, 5 key business drivers identify कर लें. Because you can have a laundry list of things that are going wrong or can go right. A mindset change करें. दूसरी चीज़ ये कि आपने 2 या 3 business drivers identify कर लिए and be very clear. They're tactical or sustainable. Because you can go with the smoke or you can double click and say what's the real issue.
How have you seen technology play a part? You've seen, you're an industry veteran. So technology ka retail mein, how have you seen it evolve? And how much room is there and what can it do for the retail companies?
Yeah, I think technology is an amazing enabler. Because why? सबसे पहली चीज जो है, जो लोग मेरे साथ काम करते हैं उन्हें पता है I love analytics. I love them. Because analytics करेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि करना क्या है. Now there is a difference between data reporting and analytics. Or technology allows you to do all those analytics and access to data a lot more at lightning speed. So I think technology offers tremendous opportunities, tremendous amounts of data, tremendous amount of automation opportunities. But I will circle back to the point, pick up the 3, 4, 5 things where the technology is going to help you in your regard.
What is your hope with EP2B? Like, how can this take it one step further and how can Bazaar play a role in that journey?
पहली चीज ये कि मुझे कितने 7 महीने हो गए हैं, Bazaar is the only outside stakeholder that I've met. So Bazaar का सबसे बड़े 2 बड़े डेल्टा है. I think your coverage 75,000, of course हमारी relevant universe 40,000 है, so on so forth. But that is one. I think second thing is technology. अभी हम Pentium 1 पे बैठे हुए हैं और आप लोग सुपर कंप्यूटर हैं. So I think that we can massively benefit from. And I think your flexibility and entrepreneurial spirit, which is what Reckitt is all about. I think that's where it's a beautiful relationship that we can benefit from.
I think all of that resonates with the team. Beyond all of this, beyond our careers, beyond technology, I think all of us pain for Pakistan. I think as much as we say the opportunity hai, ek dard hai. What is your personal hope for Pakistan? Maybe not now, but 10 years, 20 years.
Population देखें, digital savviness देखें, willingness देखें. हमारे लोग कितनी मेहनत करना चाहते हैं, कितनी मेहनत करना चाहते हैं. Opportunities नहीं मिल रही, but हम खुद क्रिया. आप लोगों ने किया है ना? कौन करता है पाकिस्तान में? मतलब ये इतना सारा पैसा आप कहीं बाहर रख दोगे, उससे ज़्यादा रिटर्न बना लोगे, इतनी खप नहीं उठानी पड़ेगी. But you have invested, right? So you have chosen to invest in Pakistan. You can keep this money abroad or do bitcoins and crypto and some of the other stuff. You've done it. So I think it all starts with what we can offer to Pakistan. एक दूसरी चीज़ है कि पाकिस्तान अगर आप over the trend देखें, has been a resilient country. Ups and downs आएंगे, but by and large ऊपर जाता है. So as long as I can make a difference in somebody's life and that person makes a difference in anybody's life, I'm sick and tired of blaming others.
I think for us as well, if you ask anybody at Bazaar, they will tell you that anybody can build this company anywhere in this world, probably better and easier. But then you'll be just one of 1,000 startups who came and went and did it for themselves probably. But here, agar ye story ho gayi, so it'll be the first one, and that will have the multiplier effect that you're talking about.
What excites me about Bazaar is the 75,000 stores that you guys go to. That's sustainable stuff. For you, it will also be sustainable.
We can guarantee that Bazaar will be all ears in terms of finding the right answer. We'll iterate, we'll make mistakes, but we will be there to be, a special platform for Reckitt and its retail strategy. I think finally one more round of applause for Faisal. Thank you so much for giving us your time.